Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the DirectX error in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. First, make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Black Ops 6. If your PC hardware is good enough, then the problem is most likely with your graphics drivers. Let's start by checking if your display drivers are installed properly. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, look for Display Adapters and click the arrow next to it. You should see your graphics card listed there. Next, let's install or update your graphics drivers. Open your web browser and go to the official website of your GPU manufacturer. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, go to the NVIDIA website. If you have an AMD card, go to AMD's website. And if you use Intel graphics, visit Intel's website. On the website, look for the Drivers or Support section. Enter your graphics card model and download the latest driver for your operating system. Once it's downloaded, open the installer and follow the on-screen steps to complete the installation. After the installation, restart your computer. Now launch Black Ops 6 again and check if the DirectX error is gone. If you still see the error, try rolling back to an older driver version. To do this, manually download an older driver version from your GPU manufacturer's website. Install the older driver, restart your computer, and test the game again. In most cases, this solves the DirectX error completely. To sum up, if your PC meets the game requirements, then the DirectX error in Black Ops 6 is almost always caused by driver compatibility issues. Try the latest drivers first, and if that doesn't work, install an older version. Thanks for watching.